Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to remove tax included on Shopify product page. As you can see right here, here's an example. Right below the price you can see tax included. I'll be showing you how to remove that. The first thing you will need to do is go on your Shopify admin page. Once you have done that, you are going to go into settings, which is located in the bottom left hand corner. After tapping on settings, I want you to tap on taxes and duties. After tapping on taxes and duties, all you have to do is scroll down until you see include tax in prices. You are going to simply untick that. Then you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on save, if I were to close out of this right now, then refresh this page. After refreshing the preview page, you can see that tax included is no longer on the page, as you can see right here. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.